Today our topic is about it is prose number second, that is Gulliver in Lilliput. And first of all, I will tell you what actually the Gulliver of Lilliput. It's a prose and from which novel it has been extracted and who has written it. This Gulliver in Lilliput ये actually novel है. The name of the novel is it has been extracted. The name of the novel is Gulliver's Travel. यानी कि Gulliver's Travel एक बुक का नाम है and उसी में से एक ये Gulliver's Travel it stands for 4 different books. Jonathan जो Swift है, it is Jonathan Swift. It is Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift ने ये वाली बुक लिखी है. The name of the book is Gulliver's Travel. And in this Gulliver's Travel, he wrote 4 books. यानी कि Gulliver traveled in 4 different places. The first place is it is Gulliver in Lilliput, or you will say the voyage in Lilliput. यानी कि in the first book Gulliver travels to Lilliput. In the second book the name of the place is Bobbingnag. It is the second place while Jonathan Swift paid a visit. Third one is the voyage. Voyage means a trip. A trip through what? Through the sea. Third one is it is called Laputa. It is the third name of the book, third name of the travel while he traveled. And fourth one is the Humanus. And ये एक और voyage है. This Gulliver's Travel, it's a novel that stands on these very 4 books. यानी कि इसमें इस लेसन में Gulliver travel कर रहा है 4 different places पे. Regarding to as per the Gulliver in Lilliput, ये वो लोग थे. He traveled in that very place. It's an imaginative place. It's an यानी कि in reality it has no connection with the present life, with the reality. These very places are simply fictitious. They have been assumed by. It's an imaginative travel that Jonathan Swift travels to 4 different places. एक है it is Lilliput and वहां पे छोटे लोग हैं. Bobbingnag वहां पे giant people है. 10 times taller than what? 10 times taller than what? 10 times taller than Gulliver. And यहाँ पे in Gulliver in Lilliput यहाँ पे है smaller. They have as per their height is concerned they are only 6 inches tall. 6 inches यानी कि इतने बड़े लोग हैं कहाँ पे? Lilliput अंदर. And in Bobbingnag वहां पे है 10 times taller than what? Taller than the Gulliver. यानी कि 10 गुना. You will call it 10 feet, maybe 11 feet, maybe the 15 feet. लोग कहाँ पे रहते हैं? Bobbingnag. Third one is the Laputa. यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे impractical यानी कि those human beings living in this very world that has no connection with the reality. That has no connection with the reality. And fourth one is Humanus. And यहाँ पे ऐसे कौन थे? Rational horses means animals have been called the rational and the human beings has been called the slaves. Has been called the यानी कि इस वाले प्लेस में ऐसे horses को कहा जाता है, animals को कहा जाता है they are ideal, they are rational, they are civilized. लेकिन human beings को कहा जाता है they are what? They are called slaves. वो वैश्य है, they are wild, they are wild. And ये जो animal horses थे they are living alongside human beings. These very human beings they have been called the yahoos. They have been called and human beings has been called as slaves, as wild civilized people. And these very horses animals have been titled as a rational and a civilized one. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Then these are the 4 books on which this Jonathan Swift Gulliver's Travel is based on. लेकिन regarding to our topic is it is not Gulliver's Travel. The name of our prose number second it is Gulliver in Lilliput. It means हम पहली वाली बुक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे where what kind of people are living. Small kind of people are living. You got? This was simply the background about Gulliver in Lilliput. You got? Now the story starts. So this was simply in Gulliver's Travel. This Gulliver in Lilliput, it is actually a novel. And what's the name of the novel?
Gulliver's Travel.
The name of the novel is Gulliver's Travel. That is, it is Gulliver in Lilliput. It means Gulliver is a name of a ship doctor. What? Gulliver is the name of a ship doctor. Regarding to in Lilliput, it's a name of what? It's a name of a place. It's a name of a place. And the people who are living in that very place has been called the Lilliputians. Lilliputians. And it means Gulliver is a ship doctor, Gulliver is the name of a person, and Lilliput is the name of a place. Right now, we will go through that. What are the things? What are the activities? What are the actions that are being performed by the Gulliver in where? In Lilliput. यानी कि कौन सा काम ये Gulliver Lilliput में क्या कौन सा काम अंजाम दे रहा है और क्यों आया था इस प्लेस में? ये था अबाउट किसके बारे में? अबाउट द लेसन के बारे में. अब है रिगार्डिंग टू दिस that is called the plot construction. That's called the plot construction. Plot construction, you will call, it means simply the summary. Summary of what? Summary of Gulliver in Lilliput. ये वाला Gulliver in Lilliput, वहां पे the people that are occupying, they are what? 6 inches tall. 6 inches tall. Only just like that. ऐसे लोग थे, यानी कि 2, it means tiny people. Tiny people. उन्होंने इसको caught in the midst of cruel or tyrant. Cruel or tyrant. That is called cruel and tyrant waves. यानी कि उसका जो जहाज है वो समंदर में फंस चुका है. And Kinville, he is struggling between what? Between the cruel or the tyrant waves. जो waves थे, जो लहरें थे, वो बड़े खतरनाक से उठ रहे थे. And finally, उसका जहाज जो था, the ship of the Gulliver, while he was traveling, and he was what? He was the doctor of the ship. He was the doctor of the ship. And his ship finally it wrecked. Or finally, this very ship it sank into the river. ये डूब गया पानी में. And Gulliver was the lone person who was survived from this what? From this wreckage, from this damaged ship or from this damaged boat. एक ही आदमी बच गया इसमें. That was none other than the Gulliver. लेकिन when he managed to save his life, who managed to save his life? It is Gulliver managed to save his life, but he landed on an island. He landed on an island. And the name of an island is Lilliputian Island. Now when he landed, this very Lilliputian Island, it was occupied by the small race of people. Small race. It means they were the tiny people. ये छोटे लोग थे. And not more than 6 inches tall. Not more than 6 inches tall. Not more than 6 inches tall. 6 inches tall. Means as compared to the Gulliver, they were the smallest creatures. And when he landed on this Gulliver was not in a stable condition. यानी कि वो होश में नहीं था. And he has lost his senses. Simply I can say Gulliver was in unconscious state. Who was in unconscious state? Gulliver. He was in unconscious state. And when he landed on this, he was in unconscious state. And यहाँ की जो लिलपुतियन के लोग थे, उन्होंने जब उनको देखा, they were dumbfounded. They were shocked to hear. They were shocked to see such a big giant. इन्हें लगा ये क्या है? ये giant है. कौन है giant? ये वाला आदमी नहीं. Still they don't know कि ये वाला person है Gulliver. उन्हें लगा ये कोई देव है. And he has come to steal this island and to kill all the creatures that are inhabiting the island of Lilliput. इनको लगा कि ये हमें खाने के लिए आया है एंड ये आइलैंड, पूरा जो आइलैंड है ये उसको ले जाएगा। एंड उन्होंने क्या किया? व्हाट दे डिड, दीस वेरी टाइनी क्रिएचर्स, उन्होंने उसको, दे फाइनली टाइड हिम, उन्होंने इसको बांधा with thousands and thousands of ropes। लेकिन जो रोप थे उसका जो साइज था, क्योंकि जो क्रिएचर्स थे they were what, they were the small, naturally जो इनकी जो रस्सियां होंगी they were just like the size of thread, just like the size of thread, यानी कि जो रस्सी थी वो भी क्या थी, वो भी thin थी। एंड उनके लिए इस गिलवर को in order to tie him, they need lot of what, lot of cords, lot of what, lot of cords, इन्हें बहुत से रस्सियों की जरूरत। एंड फाइनली उन्होंने इसको क्या किया, बांधा। एंड फाइनली they took him to the palace, where who was, they took him to the palace, PALAC, palace means simply it is called the mahal, where who was living, where the king of Lilliput was living, जो इस मुल्क का, इस आइलैंड का बादशाह था, वहीं पे उसको ले गया। And finally this very Gilver, he came back into the sense. When he came back into the senses, he finds himself in the prison. इसने अपने आप को जेल में पाया and इसको जेल में बंद किया। After number of weeks, इसको Gilver is now where is he?
In the prison.
He is right now behind the bars. He is now behind the bars. That is simply called that he is now inside the jail. अब ये जब ये जेल में है and after number of the weeks, a man came to him. उसके पास एक आदमी आया and the name of that very person was Randarasar. The name of the person was Randarasar. यानी कि जब ये जेल में ही था, गिलवर के पास एक आदमी आया and that was the personal person of किसका? Personal person of king. ये personal आदमी था किसका? king का। and ये आया किसके पास? गिलवर के पास to discuss some state affairs. Discuss some state affairs. And Gilver को after number of the weeks, this Gilver has been released. What? After few weeks, Gilver has been released. जब वो रिलीज हुआ, उसके पास कौन आया? Randarasar. ये किसका आदमी था? He was the man that has been sent by God, that has been assigned a duty that you have to talk to the Gilver. आपको बात करनी है Gilver. And Randarasar आया किसके पास? Gilver के पास. क्योंकि Randarasar what? He was small as compared to the Gilver. And ये जब उसके पास आया, ये Gilver उससे कह रहा है just take a seat, just to sit comfortably, and just to, what you want to talk with me, what you want to share with me, what you want to discuss with me, you are allowed to share. Just be at ease and just start what you are going to talk. And लेकिन Randarasar ने इससे कहा कि it will not be possible for me to talk like this, because always I must have looked towards what? Towards the sky, because when we talk, the talk should be eye to eye. There should be eye to eye contact. And that is not possible, क्योंकि eye to eye contact possible नहीं होगा, क्योंकि एक क्या, one is a small, another is a big giant. इसने उससे कहा, Randarasar में कहा कि in order to speak conveniently, it is better that you should hold me in the hand. इससे अच्छा है ताकि मैं आपके साथ डायरेक्ट फेस टू फेस बात करूं, आप मुझे किस में पकड़ो? हाथ पकड़ो, so that it will be feasible for me to talk with you. It will be very convenient for me to talk to you, ताकि मेरे लिए आसानी हो जाए. And Gilver did the same. Gilver hold Randarasar what?
In his hands.
on the palm. And इसने जब उसको इसमें रखा and Randall Russell ने उसको कहा, do you know, first, do you know why you have been released so early? पहला क्वेश्चन रैंडल रसल इस गिलबर्ट से कह रहा है, आपको मालूम है आपको बादशाह ने क्यों इतनी जल्दी रिलीज किया है? एंड डू यू नो, इस वजह से रिलीज किया है ताकि you might be provide us the help in order to solve the different problem. आपको इस वजह से इतनी जल्दी आजाद किया गया है क्योंकि हमारे स्टेट में our state is facing with number of the problems. हमारी स्टेट में है बहुत से क्या है, बहुत से problems है. And some are what? Some are internal, some are internal and some are some are external. यानी कि our country is now on the verge of collapse. हमारी जो स्टेट है, हमारा जो आइलैंड है, ये खत्म होने वाला है. एंड आपको इसी वजह से आजाद किया क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री क्या है, what our country is facing two different problems. That is called internal problem as called
external problem.
Internal problem means that very problem that is within the geographical territory of Lilliput. जो अंदर से क्या हो, जो अंदर से प्रॉब्लम. फॉर एग्जांपल there is a case, for example take the case of any country, maybe of Afghanistan. अफगानिस्तान में हर हमेशा होती है इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंस. इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंस क्या होती है, वहां पे एक दूसरे यानी कि अफगानिस्तान ही के लोग वो एक दूसरे को मारते हैं, वो एक दूसरे को यानी कि एक दूसरे के साथ ही क्या करते हैं, लड़ाई करते हैं. इसको कहता है दिस वेरी प्रॉब्लम इज कॉल्ड द इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम. इसकी फॉर एग्जांपल पाकिस्तान में आज है, आज इन नाउडेज वहां पे इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. वहां पे एक साइड है इमरान खान, दूसरी साइड अपना आर्मी है. वहां पे क्या है, इट इज व्हाट, वहां पे दूसरे साइड में ये बम ब्लास्ट हो रहे हैं. उसको कहा जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड दैट इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम. That is called an
internal.
An external problem means when another country tries to invade your country. अगर दूसरा मुल्क आपके मुल्क के ऊपर क्या करे, इन्वेड करे या इन्वेजन करे, हमला करे आपके ऊपर, उसको कहा जाता है what? External problem. And these two problems who are facing, Lilliput and were facing, ये कौन कह रहा है? Randall Russell is saying to the Gilbert. And these two problems, our state is facing two problems, that is internal and external. And you have been released and it has been thought that you might solve both the
Problems.
That's all.